guys, so we're going to McDonald's at night. It's 10:08, so let's go.
May chicken sandwich.
Oh, nice.
Pila na tuloy. Sabi ko na kayo sa inyo, isipin niyo na yung order niyo.
Oh gosh, bro. Oh, what the what? Oh, nah, bro. Everyone here loves.
Regular fries and regular coke dalawa. Tapos alaking yung may fries and drinks.
Okay. Coke na rin lang.
Oo, dalawa rin yan.
This is.
Tapos Burger McDo isa, yung a la carte. Ikaw, chicken burger.
No.
Okay na? Okay na?
Alaking with fries.
Okay na.
and-
Sige, okay na.
Wait,
Check na lang sa...
wait. How about the ice cream?
Walang ice cream. Okay, thank you.
Okay. No.
Ito nga pala. Ito.
Finally, we got McDonald's.